So we are back with what is the best way to get a job part 2. And in this episode, I want to say that I think using your network is way more, or it's more efficient than going out and sending all your applications out, because from my experience, sending 20 or 30 applications, I only get maybe, when I'm lucky, 10, but most of the case it's just 5 applications back. And 3 of them are, oh no, we don't look for that one or so. And 2 are like, yeah, let's, or like one is like, hey, let's do a call, and they never reach out again. And the other one is, yeah, we can do that, but somehow it doesn't fit, right? That's why having somebody who can get you into a company because they vouch for you or something, that also could help you. What do you think, Tanek?
I think that's very good. I think you would want that. Even, of course, having someone who knows you already gives you boosts your chances of getting into an interview way more than someone they don't know. You also don't have to betray their, I'd say not a trust, but their
credibility,
something like that. No, not credibility. It's more like if I vouch for someone, I actually want to make sure they actually have the mentality they're good. I'm not gonna vouch for anyone.
Oh my God!
Ask me. That's. I think I had one person before that I vouched for, and he was quite crap, and I felt bad about it because because we might be friends, but I have to keep the best interest of the company.
Yes,
that's a whole different matter.
Oh my God!
But you have to utilize your network. If you know someone in a specific branch, ask them, I want to get into this. Could you help me pinpoint what are the important elements I need to learn to make me a more valuable, or I'm a valuable person within this branch in which I can get a job. So you learn mobile development. Okay, well, first you need to know how the ins and outs of the framework works. Then you need to know how to use APIs, because you're most likely going to get a lot of data from remote when you work on new apps for clients, etc. So those are all just elements you can use. But don't ask too much from your networks and not do anything in return, because they're taking their time out of you to help you without asking anything in return, basically. But if you don't need to stretch it from someone if you're going to ask too much.
We had a great quote. How did it go again?
Use your network, but don't make your network feel used.
I absolutely love this one, because I totally agree what you said. So ask them for a job if you're serious about that, and do something for it, right? That's the first thing. And the second thing is, don't go to people just because you need something. That's what I hate the most, actually. Like we have this case in our community, actually, in SELFDEV here down below, if you can see that. I know people who never interact with the chat. They never say anything. And when they have a tech problem, they know, oh yeah, I have this community, SELFDEV, and then they go into the tech channel and ask the question. Nobody knows who they are, and they expect somebody to help. And if we don't help, they just leave the server, or they stay because somebody helped them before. I mean, like, I don't know, man. That's nothing which I'm looking for this community. I want people who actually like input equals output, right? Give as much as you take as well, and that's why it's the same with looking for new jobs. Do something.
I think it's no problem to ask someone, even though you haven't chatted with anyone, but it's just the way you ask, and especially you should feel from your side. Like if someone helps you a lot, blah blah, and I think you need to be self-conscious about your own positions. I think I have this a lot in some trading communities, that people ask me the whole time without me knowing them, and I'll just
should I buy Bitcoin?
Sometimes
Tanek, when should I sell Ethereum, man?
I told you to sell it now 1.9K. You didn't.
Shit, I didn't do it, man. I asked, I didn't do it. No, actually, I didn't ask. I should have listened.
I told
he
you.
He gives me alpha for free, and I don't do it. So, what is the alpha you give us today, Tanek?
I'm not gonna give any alpha anymore.
For free.